Hello everyone, this is Shabbir Ali and it's a Sunday morning. I'm walking here. I'm making this video for my student. This video is dedicated to my spoken student who often ask me one question, and this question is repeated, and I have been asked so many times this question. And the question is that even I take class, even I watch video regularly, even I translate on daily basis, but still I'm not able to speak, and what is the reason? So guys, in this video I'm going to cover all your doubt regarding this types of question, and regarding spoken English, regarding English and all. So it's a Sunday morning and I'm walking here and there. Look at the view, what a beautiful view it is. Because as you all know, walking is important for your health, and it will give you benefit. And one line you must have heard one line, that health is wealth. And of course, so now it's a morning and I'm working on my health right now, and I'm making video for you. I'll send this video to my spoken group. So guys, why exactly happened and why you're not able to speak? First of all, you have to know and keep it in your mind that translating English, making exercise, taking class, watching videos is a different thing, and speaking those sentence, speaking in your daily life is a different things. First of all, keep it in your mind carefully and try to understand the logic behind it. Why somebody can speak fluently and somebody cannot? What is the reason behind it? You might say that the reason is Assalamu alaikum. The environment that play a good role. Of course, I agree to your point that of course the environment is key. But if you don't have environment, what you do? You know, my hand is paining. That's why I have to change the hand. I have to change the hand. So guys, first of all, you need to ask a question to yourself. And I'm going to sit because I'm not feeling comfortable making video while walking. So I'm going to sit. It's a small, we can say that a bridge. Okay. So the question is that why I'm not able to speak, and what is the reason behind it. So guys, first of all, you have to understand one thing, the logic of speaking English. That is, in order to speak, you have to speak. That's all. Just remember your childhood. In childhood, what you used to do, you did not know walking. You did not know how to walk, and you started walking, right? You struggled, you fall down so many times, and eventually now you are walking. So what happened exactly? What is the key role? What is the key things? What is the key that play a big role in your walking? And that is practice. You might have fallen so many times, but you didn't give up. First of all, you have to honest to yourself. You have to truthful to yourself. First of all, when you go to the bed daily, just ask a question to yourself with honesty. How many hours or how much time did I give in order to speak? How many hours? Do you give daily 2 to 3 hours? Do you give it? Guys, I'm telling you, in order to speak in a starting, you don't have to give 1 or 2 hours. You have to live in English 24 into 7. You have to give time, right? Whatever you do, whatever activities you do in your daily life, you have to narrate. You just narrate. Try to think in English. Suppose that आप चाय पी रहे हो, right? You're not take आप चाय नहीं पी रहे हो here. You have to think that I am taking tea. Now I'm taking tea. I know this is not good for my health. Still I'm taking. So this type of attitude you have to make it. I used to do the same things when I was learning English. In my initial days, even now I'm learning because as you all know that the knowledge has no ending. So I used to do the same things. I used to go to my kitchen because I used to study some other town. So I used to go to kitchen and I started narrating. I started speaking like this is the onion. I'm going to peel off the onion. I'm chopping the onion. I'll make Maggie. I'll make this and that like this. You have to be very much crazy. You have to be crazy for it. Then only you'll speak, right? First of all, give time, please, and try to speak. शर्म को बाहर करो. Try to speak. Don't think that what people think. Don't think that what people think. Let them think. This is not your work. Your work is just speak, grow yourself, learn how to speak. English is important. Keep in your mind. Just practice, practice, practice. And after a couple of months, it will take couple of months. It may take years, and then you will be able to speak. It is not a cup of tea. It is not a one night game. Try to understand. This is the harsh reality. Within a 3 months, within a 2 months, within 90 days, within 20 days, you are not able to speak. You just know your value. You just know your value of time. You just know your background. Then you are from Hindi medium. Just give time. Please, I'm telling you guys again and again. Otherwise, you'll be wasting your time. You'll be wasting your money. Try to understand the things. Just keep speaking. You can do a lot of things. Whatever you do, just try to speak. You used to do the same things. Whatever I used to do, I used to speak. I used to translate. I used to narrate things. So first of all, watch any videos. Just pause the videos. Keep your note with you. Keep one notebook with you. One diary and whatever. Whatever you are watching video, just watch videos, pause the videos, and then write down that doubts, that words. And after completing the video, just go to the dictionary and search those words, and then try to think that how it works. So these types of struggle you have to do, my dear friend, this type of struggle, because you don't have that type of environment. There are two ways. If you get environment, automatically half of the problem that's solved. There are two ways. One, just get an environment. Two, make your environment. Thank you.